2024 और 2025 में मेरा जानते हो मेरा दिन कैसा दिखता था? हाउ माय डे यूज्ड टू लुक लाइक इन 2024 and 2025. I used to wake up at 8:39. But before waking up, I'll snooze the alarms 4 to 5 times. Then I'll go and brush my teeth whilst having a sit. Then I'll come back. I'll make my bed. उसके बाद I'll start to overthink. I lived more in my head than I lived in real life. उसके बाद मेरा दिन यहाँ पर खत्म नहीं होता. I'll take sun bath, and while I'm taking a sun bath, I'll close my eyes and I'll pretend to meditate. While I'm not meditating actually, what I'm doing is I'm just closing my eyes. I'm internally thinking that I'm meditating, but I'm not meditating. Think how painful it is, man. I'll close my eyes and I'll pretend to meditate, but I'm not meditating because every time I sit to meditate, my mind starts to wander here and there. और मुझे लगता था कि वो बुरी बात है और वैसा होना नहीं चाहिए, तो इसलिए मैं वो चीज़ को अवॉइड करता था. Then I'll go and have my breakfast, and मेरा breakfast भी बहुत गंदा दिखता था. I used to eat 10 eggs and a bowl of oats. I used to eat like a fat American. I used to look like bloated. If you go and watch my videos, you can see the difference. Then because इतना 10 अंडे और एक bowl of oats खाने के लिए मुझे इतना टाइम लगता था, that's why I can't even attend the classes. Straight after missing 2 classes, I'll attend the last class. Then I'll come back. I'll again make a city lunch. I'll eat the city lunch. Then after eating the lunch, I'll go to the gym. Then I'll come back. Even in the gym, I don't used to feel like energetic. I used to have acne. I don't used to feel confident enough in my own skin. And I also used to wonder that what this guy might think of me, what this girl might think of me. ये क्या सोच रहा होगा, वो क्या सोच रहा होगा. I used to live more in my head than in real life. And it sucks, man. उसके बाद, let me tell you one more thing. उसके बाद क्या होता था? After coming back from the gym, then I'll sit. I'll not change my clothes. I'll sit. I'll scroll through the YouTube, watch random other fitness YouTubers, and मैं खुद को उनके साथ compare करने लगता था. And it feels really bad. Just think how disrespectful it is for a man. How disrespectful it is if you are comparing yourself with other guy. Yeah, of course. If you're not doing sit, you should compare yourself with other and feel bad. Of course, I deserve that. I deserved feeling sick while comparing myself with other guy because I'm not doing anything. But if I am doing something, I'll not compare myself with other guy because it feels disrespectful. Your own self. कि तुम खुद को नीचा दिखा रहे हो. You have worked so hard for this, and now you are comparing someone else level 100 to your level 2 to 3. But by the end of 2025, I decided something that need to change. I need to improve myself. I need to work on my dreams. Then at the start of 2026, I started taking self-improvement, meditation, journaling, gratitude journaling, all of those things I was doing previously. I started to take those things seriously from the start of 2026 up until now, which has been 5 months since, and I have made a crazy amount of progress in everything. I became leaner, reduced my acne, and I also started working on my YouTube career. And now my day looks really different. I'll wake up and do the hardest task of the day. Then I'll move on to the rest of the day. Yeah, of course, I have some secondary things, but my primary thing is चीज जो मैं अपने दिन के शुरुआत में करता हूँ वो है fasted cardio सबसे पहले. उसके बाद I'll script और I'll record. Then after that I'll go meditate or I'll pray, sit in the sun, do all the other things. 26 के एंड में मैंने अपने दिमाग में ये चीज बैठा लिया था that सबसे मुश्किल टास्क ही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क है मेरे लिए. इसके बारे में सोचो थोड़ा. The task I was avoiding, the task I was delaying was the most important task of the day. मेरे लिए ये टास्क था फास्टेड कार्डियो और अपने बिजनेस के ऊपर काम करना या स्क्रिप्ट करना या वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना. बिकॉज ये 4 चीजें ही मेरे लिए एक दिन के प्राइमरी टास्क होते हैं. वॉट एवर टास्क यू फील लाइक इट्स द हार्डेस्ट वन इज द वन यू रियली नीड टू डू. मेरे लिए जैसे वो फास्टेड कार्डियो करना था और स्क्रिप्टिंग या रिकॉर्डिंग करना था, ये मेरे दिन का सबसे हार्डेस्ट टास्क था. आपके लिए भी आपको खोजना पड़ेगा दैट आपका दिन का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क कौन सा है. एंड आई कैन बेट यू दैट आपका जो दिन का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क है वही सबसे हार्डेस्ट टास्क होगा आपके लिए. और जब भी मैं हार्डेस्ट टास्क करता हूँ कुछ भी, लाइक मैं अभी भी इनफैक्ट कभी कभार मैं रिकॉर्ड भी करता हूँ, अभी जैसे कि आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, अभी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे ख्याल चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारे थॉट्स चल रहे हैं. लेट मी स्टॉप दिस रिकॉर्डिंग, लेट मी गो एंड चेक वेदर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है या नहीं, लेट मी जस्ट इम्प्रूव मोर, मैं कल शूट करूंगा. बट आई नो दैट दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट टास्क और एक दिन में कोई चीज बदलने वाला है नहीं. टू कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस थिंग सो दैट विल गेट बेटर, राइट. तो सेम गोस विथ यू. आपका जो भी दिन का हार्डेस्ट टास्क है आप उसे इसीलिए डिले कर रहे होगे बिकॉज यू मे थिंक दैट आई एम नॉट बेटर एट दिस थिंग. So how can I do it? Rather than think it like this, that will be hard. That task will be hard. You waiting for the tasks to get easier won't. It won't get easier. Like it won't get easier, bro. If you do it, like same goes. Okay, let me give you an example. अगर आप जिम जाते हो पहले पहले या आप जब जिम ज्वाइन किए थे क्या आप पहले दिन ही 100 kg बेंच कर रहे थे? नहीं ना. You started with 2.5 डंबल्स. Then now you are benching 100 kg और let's say 95 kg बेंच कर रहे हो. पहले तो तुम 2.5 से बेंच कर रहे थे, राइट? Now you are benching with 95 kg and 100 kgs. Same goes with your task. जो भी मेरा दिन का हार्डेस्ट टास्क था, मुझे ऐसे दिमाग में उसे बैठाना था that yeah, it will suck. It is going to suck. I have to face this shit head on. I have to face this shit, man. This is going to suck, but I have to do it regardless. And जो सबसे मुश्किल टास्क था ना, it was exposing me to that fear. That fear, if I kept living like this, if I kept avoiding that important task, then I'll live like an average guy. I'll die average. Even you know this, that if you keep on delaying that task, then you won't reach your dreams, man. You won't reach your dreams. Even with me, मैं अपने आप को पुश करने के लिए एक ऐसा इंटरनल डायलॉग क्रिएट करता हूँ that I do this. It may sound stupid to you, but this is what I use. Whenever I'll feel like it is hard, I tell myself, whenever I feel like this is getting harder, I tell myself that whatever you want, the future wife, the potential future daughter, your dream life, the kind of life you want for yourself, is at the other end of that important task. If you complete that important, if you complete that important task, then and then you are going, then and then only you are going to get that thing. और जानते हो, it gives me a courage just by saying that thing, just by saying that particular thing. मेरे को ना ऐसा लगने लगता है that I start to feel this kind of sensation running through my veins, which is now I have the full responsibility. Now I'm responsible for the consequences of my actions. Because मैंने just ये चीज़ बोल दिया है कि मेरे को जो चीज़ चाहिए वो मिलेगा जब मैं ये चीज़ करूँगा तब. So now I am being responsible for every action of myself, for every action आई एम गोइंग टू टेक. अगर मैं क्विट किया तो आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. अगर मैं वो चीज़ को पार किया देन या अगर मैं वो चीज़ को पार कर लिया देन ऑल्सो आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. बट इफ़ आई लूज देन आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. उसके बाद से मैंने हर एक चीज़ पे एक्शन लेना चालू कर दिया. एंड इवन विथ यू, इन फैक्ट मैन, यू कैन इवन टेक दिस एक्शन. इवन यू कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग यूट्यूब वीडियोज़. Even you can start posting content online. Even you can work on your business. Even you can go and just join the gym. First few days, like even one of my female friend, she also joined the gym. I won't name her. So she joined the gym recently after lots and lots of debate with herself. She finally joined the gym, and now she's taking action towards building her dream physique. So even you can take your actions, man. The hardest task, just keep this thing in mind that the hardest task, जो भी आपका दिन का जो सबसे hardest task है ना, just keep on doing it. Because think like this. Think in this way that your future self is watching you. Every action you are going to take, if you're not doing your work and rather than doing you're watching some self-improvement videos, you are watching some podcast, then who is responsible for the consequences of your actions? You are responsible. Think in this way that every action of yours, every action you take is being watched by your future self. If you if you are on your diet, let's say if you are on a diet and if you choose to eat that sweet, your future self is watching you, and you may not suffer the consequences of that action right now. People say like that, people लोग बोलते हैं, right? एक दिन खाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Yeah, it won't affect you, but it will affect your future self. It will affect your future self. Okay, let's say you have 3 months before you go home. You are working somewhere, staying somewhere else, and after 3 months you will go back to your home, or you'll go back to your hometown. And within those 3 months, if you stay consistent with your diet, if you stay consistent with your diet, you're going to get six packs, right? So अगर तुम खुद को ये बोलोगे that okay, एक दिन खाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, you may not suffer the consequences of those actions, but your future self is going to suffer the consequences of those actions. देखो, तुम 15 दिन 20 दिन 30 दिन तुमने कुछ नहीं खाया, स्वीट्स कुछ नहीं खाया, तुम अपने डाइट के ऊपर रहे. नाउ यू कैन फील लाइक इफ यू drive your bike or something else, you can feel like, yeah, I don't have fat, because when you sit in your bike and you ride your bike, you're like, yeah, I don't have, I don't feel that bloating sensation in my stomach. Hence, so इसका मतलब ये है that हाँ वो डाइट काम कर रहा है. But if you go out with your friends and they're like, bro, if you want to eat it, yeah, of course you can say no. See, if you say no, bro, I'm on a diet, I can't eat right now. If they are really your friends, then they will be like, okay, okay, man, it's not a big deal, it's not a big deal. Okay, it happens with me. One of my roommate, he is like, बहुत बार उसको जो है ऑफर करता है कि भाई वो कुछ भी लाता है तो वो मुझे बोलता है भाई खा ले थोड़ा. तो समटाइम्स आई ईट एंड समटाइम्स आई एम लाइक ब्रो, ना आई कांट ईट. तो वो भी लाइक वो इतना नहीं, वो एग्रेसिव नहीं बन जाता, ट्रिगर नहीं हो जाता. इट्स लाइक ओके मैन, इट्स ओके, ओके, इट्स ओके. इफ दे आर योर फ्रेंड्स दे विल अंडरस्टैंड, बट इफ दे आर नॉट, देन या. ऐसे सोचो दैट तुम जो भी टास्क पहले करोगे ना, इट इज काइंड ऑफ हंटिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गो एंड हंट, देन यू विल टेक योर रिवॉर्ड. का मतलब ये है, जैसे कि मैं आई कंप्लीट माई रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. राइट नाउ मेरा recording session complete hoga, then I'll script a little bit, then I'll go and take my meal. For that I'll do it completely fasted, because if you do something fasted, then body starts to release epinephrine. Your body starts to release epinephrine, which is adrenaline. Okay, and now you're much more focused toward doing that one task. And ये भी एक बड़ा component है, तुम वो hardest task को कितने focus के साथ करोगे. And yeah, sometimes you'll mess up, sometimes you'll be like, I'm not feeling like this. We are humans, right? Sometimes I also feel like, yeah, I'm not performing better in terms of recording. But yeah, you still have to push yourself, because through repetition, only through repetition you will get better. So मैं भी अपने आप को ऐसा देखता हूँ ना, that I'm going, if I'm either in my fitness area, either in gym life, or my YouTube career, or my relationships, or my any other role, okay, as a friend, brother, anything. Only through repetition I can get better. So even you have to think in this way. किसी भी चीज को अगर ना तुम बार बार अगर कर रहे हो, then only you can get better. Just pick 1 to 2 टास्क. लेट्स से तुम्हारा जो हर दिन का जो भी हार्डेस्ट टास्क है ना, वो हमारे साल का वो बड़े गोल के साथ लिंक होने चाहिए, तभी वो सबसे हार्डेस्ट टास्क मायने रखेगा अगर तुम उसे करोगे तो. That's it for today's video, man. If you like this video, then go and take action upon it. And if this it really helped you, then come back and hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and leave a lovely comment down below. And if this really helped you, then share it with your friends or whoever who needs to hear this kind of things. And let me know in the comments, are these theories and are these facts? See you soon. Be a horse with a blinkers, buddy. See you, Ben.